right, everybody is talking about the AI and the AI image creator from Microsoft Bing. So I thought it would be fun to come and see if the Bing AI can actually create some different images of equestrian art or different equestrian images maybe to use on my blog post. We'll see. Hello, my equestrian friends. It's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian, and I know you can't see my face right now or my hands, but I'm waving at you right now. And for today's video, I thought it would be fun to test out the Bing AI for creating some equestrian or horse-related images. Now, AI seems to be like all the rage right now. Everybody's like, oh, AI this, AI that. And now Microsoft Bing has actually come out with a image generator that you can create images from like nowhere so that the AI actually creates the image. And I thought it would be fun to test this thing out and see what it can do for horse-related images. And if you want to test this out yourself, all you have to do is go up to the search bar or the address bar in whatever browser you're using and type in Bing/create. And then I'm just going to hit this because it's going to do a Google search for it. And it's an image creator from Microsoft Bing. Now I've done this like a lot. So I've been playing with this thing so much, but this is the page that it will take you to the image generator. And you can see this little thing here. This is boost. And from my experience, each day, I think this resets. So I've already been playing with this morning and I am down to 88 boosts, which is every time you do an image, then it takes away one of those little boost tokens. So then the next one I do is going to go down to 87. And if you have an idea of what kind of image you want to create, you can, just type it in here. Just type it in this little search bar and then it will create the image. I've been finding that when I do equestrian images or anything related to horses, this AI is not really, I don't know if it's just not getting the information or it doesn't know what a horse looks like or an English saddle. It definitely does not know what a bit looks like. Let me just give you an example. Let's make an image with a snaffle bit. And this is what I get. So apparently the AI has no idea what a snaffle bit looks like for a horse. So what if I just type in horse bit? Let's try that. And it does take a little bit of time. It's not horribly long for the AI to actually create the image. Nope. And again, it has no idea what a horse bit is. No idea how you would put that in a horse's mouth. I haven't had a lot of success with this. Some of my creations are over here. And this one, it actually got pretty well. So this is I typed in close-up of a horse's muzzle, black and white photography. And actually, I think these turned out pretty well. But some that didn't turn out very well, I did close-up of horses. Well, I spelled two wrong. 2 front hooves, standing in a sandy arena, black and white, high contrast photography. So I got a whole bunch of horse feet there and I just wanted the front 2 hooves. This is interesting. Not only does it has the horse hoof, but it also has the horse muzzle in the horse's leg. I'm not quite sure what that's supposed to be. Those are some pretty, they're okay, but this looks like a back leg. I guess this is a front leg. I have no idea. But just to show you that the AI image generator doesn't quite, it's not quite there yet. So I've been trying to come up with image ideas for a black and white photo, like a gallery wall of all stuff related to horses. Let me try typing in hunter jumper braids and see what happens. Let's say top looking down, and we want black and white. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, this is interesting. So you can see the rider's feet down here in the stirrups, but the horse's head is this way. So the horse's neck and head are backwards. That's a little bit better, but not quite what the braids look like for a hunter jumper mane. We got a nice French braid, so that would be great if this was a tail. And again, the horse's head is backwards. Okay, that's closer, but again, the horse's neck is backwards versus where I have no idea. You can see the horse's legs, I think, down there. The saddle is going the wrong direction, but it did get the hunter jumper style right. But that is definitely an improvement over the images I got before. When I did it the first time, these are the images of the horse's braided mane that I got. That's an interesting mane, and it's kind of pretty, but again, not little hunter jumper braids. Kind of cute. That's very interesting. And that's not too bad. That's actually kind of cute. So if you want, you can specify what color horse. So for example, let's say a brown horse with a flower crown, watercolor painting, white background. And let's try to get a little more specific and see. Okay, the teeny little flower up top, teeny little flower on the crown of the horse. Oh, that's kind of cute. It's on his brow band. And hey, but you know what? Look, the horse actually has an egg butt snaffle in his mouth. That's pretty awesome. So it does understand this, but it just doesn't understand what a bit is, I guess. Huh, okay. Now, let's also see what happens. All right, so let's put horse standing in cross ties in a barn aisleway. Let's do a photograph. See what happens. Well, these are not too bad, except there's no cross ties there for that horse. Oh wait, let's see. How many legs does this horse have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For some reason, this AI image generator loves giving horses 5 legs. I have no idea why. Oh, at least this horse has 4 legs, it looks like. But again, no cross ties, but he's standing in the aisleway. And he has 4 legs. Again, no cross ties. And actually, I have to say that's a different image that I'm seeing so far. So, I mean, it seems like it's learning, but I would really like it to learn what a snaffle bit is. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit artsy. Oh, and I do need to learn how to spell. All right, let's see what this does. You never know what you're going to get. It's very interesting. And it might be perfect for like trying this cute, colorful robot on a safari digital art. Well, that's great. But if you're looking for a specific image and you don't have time to take a photo of it or whatever, or create that photo, wow. Okay. Well, not quite sure what these are. They almost look like holsters. Oh, look, the horse's bridles are hanging on the bridle rack and the horse's noses are in the bridles. Oh my goodness. Okay, obviously it doesn't get what a bridle rack is. Okay, let's try something simple. And actually those are pretty good. That one, I think I like that one. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's nice. And I like how the bokeh or the blurred background of the horse's neck. So that's kind of cool. So these are all of the images that I've created from today. So I'm not quite sure where the rest of them go. I need to look into that a little bit further. And actually, these aren't too bad. Actually, I kind of like that one. So now if I wanted to save this image and download it, I can, because I can share it, save it, download it, or give feedback. So I'm going to go ahead and download that one so I can save that one for a later time. But I do like that one. So out of all of the images, I think I finally got one that I can work with. Let's see if it knows what horse grooming is. Look at that. The horse actually has a bit, even though it's connected down here and not to the bridle up here. Okay. She's got a really big nose and a really teeny waist. And this one has a halter on with just a ring, I'm assuming is a, a bit. The horse is not in cross ties. She's just petting the horse. How many fingers does she have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's really long, funky fingers in a hand. But actually, this would be kind of cute if you did something with this, like a close-up of it. Well, apparently Bing does not know what lunging a horse is. Wow. Okay. And I only got 2 images on that. So, all right. Let's see if it knows what a dressage rider is. Hey, look at that. The horse has a bit. And oh, look, and there's the stirrup view I was trying to get earlier. That's pretty fancy looking. Stirrups are right. She's got a funny look on her face for sure. But she's actually wearing a riding helmet. Very cool. Okay. Again, the horse has a bit in his mouth. I like it. And that's fancy, isn't it? Whoa, look at his legs. Very interesting. That's funny. Oh my goodness. Well, they're all wearing English bridles so far. I don't even know what that's supposed to be. But I guess at least the horse has 4 legs, and that's a little bit closer to what a barrel racing horse should look like. Oh my goodness, this is hysterical. Well, okay, I have to say, a little disappointing, but go ahead and play with it yourself and see if you can get better results than I've been getting, because it is very frustrating to come up with different horse images. So I would love to know what your thoughts are. Have you played with the image creator yet yourself? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this, and I will see you in the next video.